In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a status in Clickup. So, whether you're tidying up your project management workspace or simply streamlining your workflow, this guide is for you. Let's start by navigating to the Clickup dashboard. To get there, open your Clickup application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard to ensure a smooth experience throughout this process. Now direct your attention to the dashboard and locate the settings icon, represented by 3 dots. You'll find this icon typically at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on these 3 dots will open a drop-down menu with various options for managing your dashboard settings and preferences. This is our gateway to customizing the finer aspects of your Clickup experience, including statuses. Our next step involves selecting task statuses from this drop-down menu. This option lets us delve into the management of statuses used in your tasks. By clicking on Task Statuses, you'll be guided to a page displaying all the current statuses you use for organizing tasks across your projects. Take a moment here to review these statuses, especially if you're considering removing one. Now, within this interface, you'll notice another 3 dots next to the list of statuses, often positioned alongside each specific status. Clicking on these dots will provide a new set of options directly related to the status you wish to change. Take care during this step to ensure you select the correct status that you plan to adjust or delete. Precision is key to maintaining your workspace just the way you want it. Having accessed the specific status options, it's time to proceed to the next crucial part, which is clicking on Delete Status. Selecting this option allows you to remove the selected status from your lineup. Deleting a status can significantly alter how tasks are sorted and navigated, so make sure this is a change you want to commit to. This is an irreversible step, meaning once the status is deleted, it cannot be undone. Finally, it's crucial to apply these changes. To do that, just look for the button labeled Apply Changes and click it. This action confirms your decision and updates your settings accordingly. Without this step, any modifications made will not take effect. Ensuring you click Apply Changes guarantees that your status removal is fully enacted and that your dashboard reflects this update. In conclusion, these steps will guide you through deleting a status in Clickup, from accessing the dashboard to finalizing your changes. Following this process helps maintain a clean and efficient project environment, tailored perfectly to your needs. Thank you for following along, and happy organizing.